Well, it's November. As you can see, all the leaves are gone already. You can see the shopping center down there. That's about 1.25 miles from here, driving. I could probably walk there in 2 minutes if I get over the hill. But I'll be working down there today, putting some light fixtures in at a beer distributor. Well, here's where today's job is. Of course, they're not open yet. I was trying to find the hours, but I don't see them. It's either 9. Oh, there they are. Monday to Saturday, 10 to 9. So I'll be back here at 10. So here's the problem. No lights on this side are working. But these 3 are. And this one here, is filled with water. Because they just drilled a hole and ran the wires right at the top of it, making it no longer vapor tight. So I have to fix that today. And these 3 will eventually go too. We'll start with these 3. That one just came back on for some reason. These clips come off. What do they undo? And this comes down. There's a gasket in here. You can see the wires are crimped in there too. Then in here, there's 2 clips. Right here, you just squeeze them together. That comes down. And that comes down. And you can see the water in there. And you can see right here, they just drill a hole. No, it's not vapor tight. I'll be going through the end there. First, what I got to do though, this is the. If I disconnect these hot and neutral wires, that should take the power away from those 2. Then I can work on them with these lights still on. First, I turn all the power off, all the lights, so I can disconnect those safely. You know, in wet air, wet place here. I have this on, so I can see what I'm doing. I check for power. There's no power at these 2 here. There's still the 1 leg of hot, so I'll have to turn the lights off for that one. That's where I'm trying to sneak in the angle there. Here's the new lights. All the lights are working.